So our followers have asked you, what was the hardest part of learning how to drive?
Okay, so personally for me, the hardest part of learning to drive is when I didn't get a certain technique or I didn't understand a certain concept of driving. I would get really frustrated. I wouldn't know what to do in that scenario, but you'd have to do it again and again and again. It's a repetition that's really, really tiring. Sometimes it's just very overwhelming for me. I was close to tears literally two days before my test. Fortunately I passed, but it literally is repetition. You need to do it again and again. If you don't get roundabouts, do it again and again and again. Get your instructor to explain it in different ways until the coin drops. That's probably one of the hardest things for me when I didn't get a certain concept or certain technique. I just had to do it again and again and get it. I did self-study as well, but yeah, that's it. Repetition was the hardest thing.
That is very ironic as well. Thank you very much.